Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make TikTok video of 60 seconds. So first things first, you're just going to want to make sure that your TikTok is updated. So basically just open your Play Store and from here, you're going to just search your TikTok. So as you can see, mine is updated. You don't see here anything that says update. And I'm going to just open my TikTok from here then. So after opening, you should click your profile down below. And this is actually going to be very simple. All you have to do is just tap this plus sign here. Now, after tapping on it, you should be able to see something like this. Now, as you can see, the option here is actually photo. However, if you're going to slide it, you should be able to go to the 60 seconds. Now, you actually have the option also to include like 3 minutes. However, if you're going to say, for example, capture somewhere around 60 seconds plus, but less than 3 minutes, all you have to do is just click this timer button here. And there you go. So you can basically adjust this thing here in order to capture the duration that you want. So say for example, I'm going to set it to 63 seconds. I can just click this one here in order to switch the timer to 3 seconds and click start recording. So there you go. So there has to be like a 3 seconds countdown and then it will capture around 63 seconds or depending on the time that you set it to. And yes, congratulations everybody. That is how you're going to make TikTok video of 60 seconds.